Tips and tricks for fixing acid reflux issues. Changing your life is never easy, but when you face the suffering associated with acid reflux, you no longer have a choice. You cannot live on water alone, so you need to understand how to change your habits to allow you to eat comfortably again. This video contains the expert advice you need. When eating, never lie down. It is important that you sit in a sturdy chair with good posture. Allow your stomach to be decompressed and your esophagus to be fully extended. As you eat, enjoy every bite of your food so that you eat slowly and chew fully, then you may avoid acid reflux afterward. You may need to balance out hydrochloric acid amounts in your body if you want to reduce acid reflux and its symptoms. You can do this, for instance, by using sea salt rather than table salt. Sea salt has chloride and minerals that are good for the stomach and prevent acid. Those who are overweight have a higher chance of getting acid reflux than others. This is due to stomach pressure. The excess weight of an overweight person adds more pressure to the stomach, relaxing the muscles of the lower sphincter of the esophagus, creating acid reflux. Fat in the body can also interrupt normal digestion. A little weight loss can go a long way in preventing acid reflux. When you want to reach for a natural treatment for heartburn, consider licorice. You need to choose DGL licorice, which doesn't contain glyceric acid and therefore will not cause hypertension. Chewable tablets are your best bet before meals, and they can be found affordably at natural food retailers and health supplement shops. With all of this great information at hand, you're ready to battle acid reflux. You now understand the solution intimately, so start applying these changes today. Once you feel the relief from your symptoms which comes with using the tips you have watched here, you'll find that the data you've accessed is truly priceless. I cured my acid reflux. A lifelong sufferer discovers a powerful secret to heartburn freedom. To learn how I did it, visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to eliminate heartburn pain within 2 days? Doctors and drug companies hate this. Visit heartburnhacks.com. Would you like to learn about the only, clinically proven, step-by-step, acid reflux system? Visit heartburnhacks.com to learn this, and so much more. Link in the description.